Hello, my name is Sarah Wells, and today I'm going to give a brief overview of Piaget's theory of cognitive development, in which he theorizes that intelligence changes as children grow up. This theory consists of the 4 stages of cognitive development, including the sensory stage, which is age birth to 2 years. In this stage, children will develop object permanence. And then the next stage is going to be the pre-operational stage, age 2 to 7, where children learn to think about things more symbolically. In the concrete operational stage, age 7 to 11, children develop more logical thought, they understand the concept of conservation, and become less egocentric. In the formal operational stage, ages 12 and up, children begin to deal with more abstract ideas and hypothetical problems. Piaget had several cognitive processes that were part of his theory, the first being schemas. He theorized that children are born with very basic mental structures in which all subsequent learning and knowledge are based. So we learn from experience. These are the basic building blocks or units of knowledge. He also viewed adaptation. He viewed intellectual growth as a process of adaptation, which included assimilation, accommodation, and equilibration. So assimilation is fitting new information into existing schemas, perceptions, and understandings. Accommodation is revising these existing schemas, perceptions, and understandings so new information can be incorporated. And then equilibration is the force that drives the learning process, as we do not like to be frustrated and insecure in our learning. So we seek to restore balance by mastering or accommodating a new challenge. So Piaget recommends several things in the learning process, such as student-centered learning, discovery through active learning, in which we learn best through doing or actively exploring. He also recommends using both collaborative and individual activities as children learn from each other. Learning is social. He also recommends the teacher be the facilitator of learning and to incorporate play into the classroom. So we can do this through, incorporating educational games and stuff like that into the classroom. So we can incorporate technology in that way. This is my reference for this presentation. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Thank you.